Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Belkis and in this channel I do everything related to nail products, and today I'm unboxing items from the brand called You Are Sugar. The first item that I have from them here is a beautiful red, just in time for Christmas, as today I will be creating Christmas nails for you guys. In that way you will see exactly how this product performs and works. This one is a beautiful red glitter. These gels are more on the thicker side, so when you're working with thicker gels, it's always a good idea to start with thinner layers and cure it at least for 60 seconds. This next one over here is a beautiful silver glitter with mini stars inside. And the next one is another beautiful color for Christmas. It's like a deep green. And the shine is amazing in these gel polishes. I really like them. And last one is a very rich white. This is another color that is a must to create Christmas nails, and the white gel polish is always so versatile. So let's go ahead and create some nails. Today I'm gonna be applying full coverage nail tips, and I'm gonna be using this brand that I have over here already, Betty Cora. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and select my sizes, and I always like to make sure that the nail tips fit me from sidewall to sidewall, and that will be the widest part of my nail. As well, I like to customize them around the cuticle area for a better fit, and that's what I'm gonna be doing here right now. To apply my nails, I'm gonna be using this portable UV lamp from Amazon. As well, if you want your nails to last you longer, it's recommended to use dehydrator and primer, and as well buff the shine from your natural nails slightly. I'm not gonna be using this today because I'm gonna be removing these nails. As well, I'm gonna be using this gel nail glue from Betty Cora and the peel-off base gel from Macar. This peel-off base gel needs curing, so I'm gonna be curing this for 30 seconds, and then I'll go ahead with the nail tips application. For the nail tips application, I apply an even amount inside the area of where the nail is gonna meet the nail tip, and these nail tips are already pre-buffed in that area as well, which is helpful. And then I squeeze a little bit extra near the cuticle area. I'm gonna lower the nail at 45-degree angle near the cuticle area and applying some pressure because I don't want the gel to spill out. Then I will move it forward to avoid any bubbles slowly, as you can see here. And I will flash cure under my UV lamp about 10 to 15 seconds until it's secure. Once I complete doing this for all the nails, I will cure my full hand for an extra minute under my bigger UV lamp. It's been a few weeks since I posted a long video, guys. I was sick with a cold. I guess the cold season is going around. As well, I was busy planning my trip to go visit my family back home in Cuba. Unfortunately, there as well I got sick with food poisoning, but I'm much better now. And during my trip there, I visited a local nail salon just to see how they are in Cuba. And this is how it looks. For example, this lady has other offers in here as well. She has microblading, and she offers as well hairdressing. And as you can see here, she has a display on the wall of different gel polishes, deep powders, regular acrylic as well. So I guess it's not bad for Cuba. The nails are all applied and ready to paint, but before I do that, I like to reshape it a little bit and clear the tip of the nail tip. I have like a little excess plastic there, and I'm just gonna clean around the edges here, and I'm gonna go around the cuticle area as well to make sure I don't have any spillage. And this is gonna be a very gentle filing around the cuticle area because I don't want to cut myself. Once I'm done with it, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a layer of base gel. The base gel is gonna make sure that all the scratches from the nail file are nice and covered, so you have a smooth base to start painting. I'm gonna be starting with this red, and I'm gonna be interchanging between the green and the red, and I'm gonna be using as well some stickers to help me with the nail art. Those are always very useful because drawing everything by hand, it takes a long time and a lot of skill. Even though I enjoy painting the nail art, it's always helpful if you have some cute stickers. These stickers are from Amazon and they are all Christmas designs. I'm gonna be posting some clips from my trip to Cuba, guys, if you are thinking to travel or maybe just to see how it is in Cuba. I can answer any questions that you might have, just leave it on the comments down below. And the final touch is top coat. I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds and we will be done for today. These nails came out really cute. I really liked them. And as you can see, these gels are so beautiful. The color is very shiny and applies very nicely. I just want to say thank you to everyone who stayed until the end of the video. If you did, you can like, comment and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I want to wish you all the best for the end of the year and during the holidays. A lot of health and love. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a nice day and I'll see you on the next video.